I'm Heather, and today I will show you how to edit data on BridPlot. As you learn to edit data, you will start to understand some of the visual clues that BridPlot provides, which make it easier to use it effectively. Everything blue is a tap function, you just tap to select. Everything red has a long press function, which will bring up more options. I am going to use the biology data I entered in my last video about how bacterial growth is affected by the concentration of hand wash. I entered the results earlier and made a few mistakes. The most obvious one is that one of the values entered was crazy. Instead of entering 151, I entered 1.51. There is also a spelling mistake. This is largely due to English being a stupid language. I will correct concentration. Select the data edit symbol, a pencil, at the top of the screen. Choose the option to select/edit data files. Notice how this is blue to show it is only a tap function. You now see a list of all the data files you have entered, with some basic information about each of them. The dataset I am going to edit is called bacterial growth. You will also notice the files are all in a light red background. A red background means that they are long pressed for more options. I will long press on the file bacterial growth and then select edit from the option box. The enter data menu lets me correct the X name. Everything with a white background is a text box and can be edited. I tap on the X name text box and now spell concentration correctly. Everything that cannot be edited, such as headings, are in grey. To correct numeric data values, select the button Input Numeric Data. You can see all the data values entered so far at the bottom of the screen. They are on a red background, which means you can long press on them. I will long press on the line I wish to edit, line 1. This now gives the option to insert new line of data, to delete the line entirely, or to replace it. I will select Replace. Line 1 is now the active line. I will select 1.51 and replace it 151. That's better. When I select the button Replace Line, the data is updated and BridPlot moves to the next line, which can be edited in turn. I have finished editing, so I select End Replace. The Save and Exit button lets me change the name of the file, but I will overwrite the file bacterial growth. Thanks for listening.